guys, it's your Pardon My Beauty TV, and I'm back with another video. So here is my little DIY. So everything you're gonna need is, I'm gonna show you guys, you're gonna need scissors, your fabric you're gonna use. I'm using a pillowcase that I don't need, and 2 scrunchies. So I already like cut out, like marked with a pencil, but you can't really see of where I wanted to cut. And you guys are going to be seeing that soon. Okay, the scrunchie. Yeah, so basically that's everything I'm going to be using, plus needle and thread. Now, like I said, you guys are going to see me cutting the fabric to the desired shape that I want. So this is me cutting. I don't have a sewing machine, guys, and I'm not the best sewer, so this is beginner friendly, as you guys can see. And you can use anything. I just wanted to use this print because it was nice. You can use plain print, you can use t-shirt, anything, a sock, whatever makes you feel good, whatever you like, that's on you. And you're just going to cut and move everything out your way, and now you have your fabric cut out for the mask. Now one side is sewed already because that's just the pillowcase, but for future reference, if you don't have a sewing machine to make everything all neat and nice or whatever, or if you know how to sew, whatever, that's up to you. I need to learn how to tuck I could have tucked the ends in, but I know better. But you guys will see what I'm talking about once I do it, because one side is like neat, one side isn't. But you guys will see. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure things lined up, and then you're going to, well, what I saw the girl lady do in the tutorial was fold these up, iron it, it'll have the creases, and then whatever. But then you guys are gonna see this doesn't work out for me. I don't have an iron. So then I'm going to pinch the crease, and you guys will see that in a minute. As you guys can see, that did not work out for me, so I decided to just pinch it regular, and then I'm gonna sew the 2 ends, sew through the scrunched up part at the end. I'm gonna do one side, and then you guys are going to see me stop and then sew up the fabric, which I could have waited, but either way, it's your choice if you want to wait or sew, or if your fabric is cut all the way through, because mine is already cut. I could have cut that, but you guys are going to see me sew through that, and then I'm going to come back when everything is sewed up, and then you guys are going to see me put on the cut the scrunchies and put the scrunchies, start attaching the scrunchies. Okay guys, so now that I got all the sides sewn the way I want, I'm gonna do what I did to the other side. I'm going to put the thread through, and yes, I am using the weave sewing needle because it's the only needle I have with the thread. So this is what I'm doing. I will be pinching, like I said, and putting it through how I like it. I think I didn't like it, cut it and then did it again, or yeah, see, you see me cutting it off. I didn't like the way it was. Okay guys, sorry, I got a phone call, but what I was saying was that it wasn't right, so I have cut it and fixed it. I think I'm gonna show you guys. Not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, I had cut it back off, even though you guys see me putting it through, and fix it. It looks like I'm struggling. I'm just trying to get it together. That's why I was saying in the beginning that if you guys want to sew the sides, you know, everything, or you know, fix it right. Anywho, so yeah, this is me putting it through, and I'm going to put it through, tie it off, cut it, all that good stuff. And guys, this is like easy DIY fun project. It's not nothing that you have to make perfect. It's a mask. Let's be honest guys, all these masks are cheap anyway. You can still get whatever through it. So this is not to be in place of you know, prevent anything COVID or anything like that. This is just for DIY purposes, and if you want to wear it, a mask, something cute, make your own. I'm pretty sure you can slide a filter in there if you want, or leave a little, add some extra fabric, whatever case, you guys get creative with that. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. And well, I'm not doing the filter, but you guys get the drift. So here it is guys. Anywho, this is what it looks like so far. It's cute, it's together, and it's in the shape that we need it to be in for the mask. Nice and comfy. It is machine washable friendly. So yeah guys, so I'm just, you know, showing you guys putting it together, playing around with it. It has the little pleated thing look that everyone likes. So now guys, clearing off my station, I'm going to be cutting the scrunchies and getting it together. Now at first what I did was, you see me doing now, I halved it and I had to go find me another scrunchie because I needed the whole scrunchie. And like I said guys, intentionally I was making this for my daughter, but yeah, it was too big on her. I think if I would have cut that half and put it on her, it would have been good, but I really didn't want it to be tight on her face, and it's good for my face, so that's what I was doing guys. So like I said, you guys, you can clean it up. This is what I'm doing now, cleaning up the little frills. I have no problem with the little frills. I really wish there was the same on the other side, but like I said, it's the pillowcase, so it came like that already. And yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and soon you guys will be seeing the final product. And yeah, final product will come in soon guys. Have fun with it, use whatever fabric you have, and ta-da, this is me showing you what it looks like. Honestly, next time I feel like I can just put the scrunchie in there and then sew it, the ends, so that way the scrunchie would, you know, be comfortable. And this is it on my daughter, and it's cute, but it was a little loose on her, so honestly it fits way better on me, and this is it on me. It's cute. And like I said, both sides are gonna be different because one side was already, you know, professionally sewn, I should say. And the other side is me sewing it, but either way, I know how to sew better than that. Thank you guys for watching, and we're out.